Hi guys, Vladimir is here, Melbourne Decking and Landscaping, and today we're going to talk about pedestals. This is a new feature, quite popular now. A lot of builders use it and we install it as well. Basically, in olden days, when you build a frame for the decking, the only option is to concrete the posts and put a frame on top. Now you use the pedestals, and I'll explain to you how. Okay, so what are these pedestals and how they work? Basically, this is an adjustable pedestal to be able to level the frame to your perfect height that you want. They come in different sizes. The smallest one we have is 18 to 30, then 30 to 60, 60 to 140, and 140 to 220. That's the highest one. They're very heavy. They have the loading of 220 kilos per each. So it's about a ton per square meter they can hold. So these pedestals are adjustable, except the smallest one, which is 18 by 30. You have the middle ring, which is adjustable. You can screw it in up and down, and this way you increase or decrease the height. But in the smallest one, it is only one part, which is rotatable, and then basically you need to move the bottom part and level it. So they are usually installed on either compacted gravel or on the pavers, or they are installed on the blob of concrete. So you can put a bit of a concrete, level it to approximately the level you want, and then when you install this, then you can already finalize and fine-tune the height. Depends on how and where you install them. I recommend to use the dynabolts, so you can screw it in either one or two dynabolts. If, for example, it's a paver or a concrete, you can use the dynabolts. If it is a compacted crush rock, you can use nails, special nails, or if it is a roof or some sort of waterproof membrane, then you just use a silicone or use a liquid nail and glue it like that, let it dry by putting some weight on it. Then what you do is you install either a timber frame, which is very popular, or an aluminium joist. The timber frame you can install either vertical, again 90 by 45, or you can do a horizontal. If you're using a horizontal, then obviously the pedestals, the span between them should be less. It's considered to be approximately 1 to 1.2 meters in a vertical 90-45. So the span for the pedestals between the supports is a 1 to 1.2 meter. If you're doing a horizontal, then you probably have to be every 600-700 mils apart. These pedestals have the holes for the screws to attach the frame. You can do that, screw it in. When it is installed, then you adjust to whatever height you want, either higher or lower. Okay, the same thing goes for the aluminium. In our case, it is 50 by 50 by 3 mil, which is also considered to be a strong joist and quite a popular now for joist. You use metal screws to screw it in here, and supports also every 1 to 1.2 meter. That is it, basically. That's how you install it. So guys, thank you for watching this video about the pedestals. I really hope it is helpful, and so subscribe, like, and whatever. Let's go.